Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our exercise 2.5 with the question number 6 and onwards. Now, this question related to the expansion. The 4 questions are given. So first we will identify which identity will be applicable to this expansion. So here we have the two terms and the cube is there. But in some of the question we have the plus between these two terms and some of the question we have the minus between the two terms. So mainly we have the two identities. One is the x plus y the whole cube, that is the x cube plus y cube plus 3xy and the x plus y. The another identity with the minus sign also with us, that is the x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and the x minus y. These both the identities that we will use here. Okay. Now let's do the expansion one by one. So very first question, 2x plus 1. So if in the binomial we have the plus between the two terms, so we will apply the first identity, and if we have the minus between the two terms, so we will apply the second identity. Here we have the plus. So this term I will consider as x and this term I will consider as a y as per our identity. So the first term is x cube, that means 2x the whole cube plus y cube. Second term we are considering as a y, so 1 cube plus 3xy, so 3x and y. This one x, this one y. So 2x and 1. And at last in the bracket x plus y, that means sum of these two. Otherwise this binomial as it is. So 2x plus 1. Now further we will simplify this. 2x the whole cube. How much? 2 the cube, that is 8. X the cube, that is x cube. 1 the cube, that is 1. Now 3 2s are 6x and 2x plus 1. Further we will expand this. 6x multiply with these both the terms. So 6 2s are 12. X multiply x square. So 12x square. 6x multiply with 1, it will be 6x. Clear? If you want to arrange them in the standard form of the polynomial, so you can arrange it, otherwise this form will be also okay. 2, 8 the x cube plus, after that 2 power 12 x square plus 6x plus 1. So both the answer will be valid. Now here, the first term is the 2a and second term is the 3b. Minus between the two terms. So second identity will be applicable here. So only the minus sign will be there in identity. So here 2a I will consider as x as per my identity and 3b I will consider as a y. Simple. So first I will make the cube of both the terms individually. So x cube यानी कि 2a the whole cube minus y cube, y यानी 3b the whole cube, then minus 3 product of these both the terms. So 2a and the 3b. 2a and 3b. And at last binomial as it is. X minus y, so x minus y. So 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b. Is it? Okay. Now 2a the whole cube. How much? 8a cube. Minus 3b the whole cube. 9b cube. Minus 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18a and b, and finally the bracket is the 2a minus 3b. Okay. Further we will simplify this. 8a cube minus 9b cube. When I multiply 18ab in this bracket, so minus also will be multiplied, so sign will be changed. So this plus term becomes minus, minus plus minus. 18 2s are 36, ab into a, so a square b. Now minus minus plus, 18 3s are 54, ab into b, so ab square. That's it. No need to arrange them. Here between these two terms we have the plus sign, so the first identity will be applicable. So now this term I will consider as x and this term I will consider as a y. So let's do the calculation. 3 by 2x the whole cube, first term, plus y cube. So second term is the 1 the cube, plus 3 a into b, x into y. So 3 by 2 x and 1. Okay, 3x wider and last is a binomial. So this binomial as it is. So that we have to write down 3 by 2x plus 1. Okay, further expansion. So 3 by 2x the whole cube. So 3 the cube is 27. 2 the cube is 8 and x cube. Plus 1 the cube is 1 plus 3 3s are 9. 3 will be multiplied with the numerator because this one is denominator is 1. So numerator will be multiplied with only numerator. So 3 3s are 9 by 2x and here 3 by 2x plus 1 as it is this bracket. Okay. So now further 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 by 2x multiply with this both the terms. So 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4 x square. Then 9 by 2x multiply with second term that is 1. So when we will multiply with 1, so numbers as it is. So 9 by 2x. Let it be here. Now come to the fourth question. Here between the two terms we have the minus sign. So second identity will be applicable. This term I will consider as x as per the identity and this one I will consider as a y. So first of all we have to make the cube of these both the terms x and y both. So x the whole cube minus 2 by 3y the whole cube minus 3 product of these both the terms. So x in the another bracket 2 by 3y. And after that at last the binomial x minus y, binomial as it is. So x minus 2 by 3 y. Clear? Now x the cube that is x cube, 2 by 3y the whole cube. So 2 the cube that is 8, 3 the cube that is 27, y cube. Then here 3 3 will be cancelled out. So minus 3 3 already cancelled out. So what left? 2 and the xy. So 2 and xy. And at last the bracket is x minus 2 by 3 y. Now further at last x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube. Now this one will be multiplied here to expand this bracket. So minus plus minus. Now 2xy multiply with x. So x multiply x square. So 2x square y. Okay. And after that minus minus becomes plus. Then 2 2s are 4 upon 3. Xy multiply with y. So x, y multiply y, y square. Okay. So this way we can expand it. Clear? Okay students. Now we are going to discuss about the question number 7. The question is evaluate the following using the suitable identities. So we have the three different questions. 99 the whole cube, then 102 the whole cube and the 998 the whole cube. So we have to expand this, we have to find out the value of these all the numbers by making a cube, but that's by using the suitable identities. So which identities will be applicable here? So these numbers we will split into the two parts. So it will be either in the x plus y the whole cube form or the x minus y the whole cube form, and this one will be expansion form. This identity we can apply here. So 99 the whole cube. So we can split in some of the different ways, but the splitting part that you follow, that according to that your calculation becomes more easy. Suppose 99 the whole cube. So 99 can be splitted into the two parts in the various different ways. So 100 minus 1, that is one option. Somebody says the 90 plus 9, sir. Right? Somebody says the 95 plus 4. So many various splitting part is there. So you can divide it into the two different parts, right? By the different ways. But which one is the most useful for us? Yeah, simplified for us. So that is the 99, that is the 100 minus 1. Because after that we have to make the cube for our identity. So you have to decide the two splitting part of the 99 such a way that so the calculation further part that will be easier for you. Making a cube, making a product, every part should be easy for you. Okay, so most suitable two parts, that is the 100 minus 1. Okay, now here we have the two terms 100 and 1. So one is we will consider as a 100 is considered as x and 1 we will consider as a y. So the second identity will be applicable for us. So 100 minus 1 the whole cube. So 100 the cube x cube minus 1 the cube, then minus 3 value of x, that is 100, value of y, that is 1, and then x minus y, that is as it is 100 minus 1. Clear? Now 100 the cube. So 1 the cube is 1. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Make it 3 times, power 3. If power 2 is there, so 2 times. So 2 zeros multiplied by 3, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 the cube is 1. Minus 3 into 100, 300. And 100 minus 1. Okay? Now 100 minus 1 you can make it 99 if your simplification becomes easy. Otherwise you can do it directly also. But for right now, we have to make the separate them. That will be a good option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1. 300 multiplied with 100. So plus minus 300 multiplied 100, it will be 30,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay, 30,000. Now minus plus 300 into 1, that is the 300. Okay. Now, first of all, it's a 1 lakh. In that I will add the 300. Otherwise, from the 1 lakh, I will subtract the 30,000. That will be our best option. So, when I subtract these two, so from the 1 lakh, when I subtract the 30,000, so it's a 90,000. Okay, from the 10 lakhs, we will subtract the 30,000. From the 10 lakhs, from 10 lakhs, we will subtract the 30,000. From the 10 lakhs, when I subtract the 30,000, so it will be a 9 lakhs 70,000. Okay, this subtraction be done first. Then after that, 300 minus 1, it will be plus 299. Okay, and after that, we will add it. So it's a 9 lakhs 70,299. This one will be our final answer. Clear? Okay. Now for the second question, 102 the whole cube. So which two part we can split this number? So the better option is 100 plus 2 the whole cube. So by 100 or 2 making a cube, it will be a easier task for us. Now this one we will consider as x, this one we will consider as a y, and we have the plus between these two terms. So the first identity will be applicable here. So it's 100 the cube plus 2 the cube plus 3 xy, that means 102. So 102, and at last 100 plus 2 binomial as it is x plus y. So 100 plus 2. Now we will make the expansion. 100 the cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 10 lakhs. 2 the cube is 8 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 into 100, 600, and 100. Okay, here you can make the 102 directly also. That will be not a big problem. 102 I am making. Okay, and now 10 lakhs plus 8. 102 multiply 6, that multiplication is easier. Otherwise, if you find easier part is an individual multiplication, that also you can do. 102 multiply 6, so that will be 612 and 2 zeros. Okay, and now after that 10 lakhs plus 61,200, in that I am adding the 8. So 61208. And now after that we will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write down directly 8, 0, 2, 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now last two digit left, that is the 10. Okay. So this one we can consider as our final answer. If you need comfortable with the horizontal addition or subtraction, so you can do vertical also. Okay. Now come to the third question. That's a very big number. It's a 998 the whole cube. So what the splitting part? So the two splitting part that would best suitable according to our identity, that is the 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. Is that okay? Now we will make the expansion. So 1000 the cube. The second identity will be applicable because minus between the binomial. So between the binomial we have the minus sign. So minus 2 the cube, then minus 3 xy, that means product of these both. So 1000 and 2, and at last 1000 minus 2. Is it okay? Now let's do the simplification. Here we have the 1000 and cube, so the zeros will be 3 times. So we have the 3 zeros, multiply 3, that means 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 the cube, that is 8, minus 3 2s are 6 into 1, 6 1s are 6, so 6000. And here it's a 1000 minus 2. Let it be there as it is, because 998 will be not advisable for the multiplication. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Write down with the counting, otherwise if you skip any digit, so that will be a big issue. Now minus 8. Now 6000 multiplied with these both the terms. So minus plus minus, 6 1s are 6. Now 3 0 and here 3 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Minus minus plus, 6 2s are 12. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now, first I will do the subtraction of these two numbers. That will be a most easier task. Okay, otherwise I will make the addition these two, and 12,000 we will take it at last. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this one, when I add here, both are negative, so it will be added here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Unit place we have to add the 8 and the 12,000. Okay. Now we will subtract this both. So do the horizontal, otherwise if you are comfortable, so you can do the vertical also. So from the 0 I cannot subtract 8, so I have to carry, so I have to write down here 10. So rest of the part will be 9. Okay, because 10 carried from not here, not here, not here, not here, so it will be 9. It carried from here. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Clear? Okay. So 1 will be removed at that time. Okay, now 10 minus 8, it will be what? 2. 9 minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 9 minus 0, so 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So now after that remaining is what? 9. So here 9 minus 6, that will be 3, and rest of the 2 9. Clear? This 1 becomes 0 because we carried here 10, that is from 1 only. Okay? So now I am going to rub this. Understood? Okay. So these two subtracted, and after that we have to add the 12,000. Okay. So when I add the 12,000, so 2 plus first 3 digit 0. So first 3 digit as it is 992. Okay. Then 2. 2 will be added here. So 9 plus 2, it will be 11. Now 1 will be carried. So 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. And 10 plus 1, 11. And 1 carried here again. So 10, 1 carried here, 4, and then 9, and then 9. Okay. So this one will be our final answer. Clear?